Good day everyone. Today, TARUNA, I'm going to talk about how to prepare for the exams, especially board exams. Exam, the word itself induces a panic and anxiety in many of us. Many people have vomits, they have the examination fever, they are almost on the bed and they are not able to give their exam or prepare for the exam. But I personally feel it happens only when you are not prepared. Not prepared, or maybe you have attached too many aspirations depending on its results. Now, why do we have to panic about exams? What is an exam? Just an assessment of what you have learned so far. If we prepare properly right from the beginning when the chapter has been taught to us. For example, a chapter has been taught to you today. I go home, I revise it. I read it completely. All the difficult words that come in between, I look up in the dictionary. I try to understand it and I then use all those words in my vocabulary somewhere or the other. I make the charts. I draw the, what I would say, flow charts. Or then I make some acronyms, I make some abbreviation, I make down my notes. These are the initial preparations I do on the very same day. It will remain etched in my memory for years to come. And believe me, the psychologists have done this and the scientists have even proven that if you revise the same thing that is taught to you one day, it will remain in your memory for some 20 years. And that's quite a long time. You don't remain in the same class for 20 years. So what's wrong? Prepare it that way. Now, I feel that if we work hard, if we persevere, if we do our work daily, it is definitely going to be successful. And without any hard work, without any struggles, without any hardships or obstacles, life is very easy. It won't pose any challenge to us. Then what's the use? Once we face the challenges and then we prove ourselves, that's a success. Yes, my approach to exam is quite different. I'll just not say you that you don't prepare for an exam, do prepare. But I'll give you a few tips. First of all, place the timetable. Somewhere where you are able to see it almost daily and you know on which day, on which subject you are going to prepare. Fine. It's there. Go about with the last subject's preparation first or the subject you feel is the most difficult one. And keep a definite time for all the subjects. Once you have kept the time, you will be able to prepare. Right? Then, my word is that make a small notebook in which you jot down all the things that you often forget or those which are the most important you need to focus on. Make the points for that. For every chapter, just jot down the main points, gist of it, finish. You can look into that copy only a day prior to your exam. Why? Because you won't be having enough time to prepare the whole syllabus on the one night before. It's not possible. So if you go through those points, the whole syllabus is covered. You are in a comfort zone. You are easy. So I say, prepare well, do well, rest, relax. Your success is sure. You can do it. You will do it. And just a little note which is different from what the common people do. I say, our body mechanism is such that we are designed to work during the daytime, not during the night. So like the old people used to say, I also say that the student's time is the morning time. Get up early in the morning, keep the early hours 4 to 6, pray, meditate, study. It will remain etched in your memory and success is sure. Thank you.